The concept of zodiac signs has been around for centuries, dating back to ancient civilizations such as the Babylonians and Greeks. The zodiac is a circle of 12 equal parts, each corresponding to a particular constellation that the sun passes through during the course of a year. Each constellation is associated with a particular astrological sign, which in turn is believed to influence the personality traits and characteristics of individuals born under that sign. In this essay, we will explore the 12 zodiac signs and the traits commonly associated with each one. Aries, March 21, April 19. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac and is associated with the element of fire. People born under this sign are known for their boldness, energy, and passion. They are often natural leaders and thrive on competition and challenge. However, they can also be impulsive and prone to acting without thinking things through. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac, and those born under this sign are known for their energy, ambition, and confidence. They are natural leaders who like to take charge and are not afraid to take risks, and those born under this sign are known for their energy, ambition, and confidence. They are natural leaders who like to take charge and are not afraid to take risks. Taurus, April 20, May 20. Taurus is an earth sign and is associated with stability, strength, and practicality. People born under this sign are often reliable and hardworking, and they value material possessions and security. They can also be stubborn and resistant to change, and people born under this sign are known for their practicality, reliability, and love of luxury. They are also stubborn and can be slow to change their minds. Gemini, May 21, June 20. Gemini is an air sign and is associated with communication, intellect, and adaptability. People born under this sign are often social, curious, and versatile. They enjoy learning new things and are skilled at expressing themselves, but they can also be indecisive and inconsistent, and those born under this sign are known for their intelligence, versatility, and communication skills. They are often social butterflies who love to learn new things. Cancer, June 21, July 22. Cancer is a water sign and is associated with emotions, intuition, and nurturing. People born under this sign are often sensitive, caring, and empathetic. They value family and home, and they can be deeply connected to their feelings. However, they can also be moody and withdrawn, and people born under this sign are known for their sensitivity, nurturing nature, and emotional depth. They are also prone to mood swings and can be fiercely protective of their loved ones. Leo, July 23, August 22. Leo is a fire sign and is associated with confidence, creativity, and leadership. People born under this sign are often charismatic and outgoing, and they enjoy being the center of attention. They are natural performers and often have a strong sense of pride, but they can also be arrogant and stubborn, and those born under this sign are known for their confidence, creativity, and desire for attention. They are natural performers who thrive in the spotlight. Virgo, August 23, September 22. Virgo is an earth sign and is associated with organization, detail, and practicality. People born under this sign are often analytical and methodical, and they value efficiency and precision. They can also be perfectionists and critical of themselves and others, and people born under this sign are known for their attention to detail, practicality, and analytical skills. They can be perfectionists who strive for excellence in everything they do. Libra, September 23, October 22. Libra is an air sign and is associated with balance, harmony, and beauty. People born under this sign are often social and diplomatic, and they value fairness and justice. They are skilled at seeing both sides of an issue and are often skilled at mediating conflicts. However, they can also be indecisive and prone to avoiding confrontation, and those born under this sign are known for their love of beauty, harmony, and balance. They are also skilled mediators who dislike conflict and strive for peace. Scorpio, October 23 November 21. Scorpio is a water sign and is associated with intensity, passion, and transformation. People born under this sign are often intense and complex, and they value deep connections and loyalty. They can also be secretive and possessive, and they are often deeply interested in power and control, and people born under this sign are known for their intensity, passion, and ability to see beneath the surface. They can be secretive and can hold grudges. Sagittarius, November 20 to December 21. Sagittarius is a fire sign and is associated with adventure, freedom, and optimism. People born under this sign are often adventurous and independent, and they value knowledge and learning. They can also be impulsive and blunt, and they can struggle with commitment and responsibility, and those born under this sign are known for their adventurous spirit, love of freedom, and optimistic outlook. They are also known for their blunt honesty. Capricorn, December 22 January 19. Capricorn is an earth sign and is associated with responsibility, ambition, and discipline. People born under this sign are often practical and focused, and they value hard work and perseverance. They can also be reserved and distant, and they may struggle with expressing their emotions, and people born under this sign are known for their ambition, practicality, and discipline. They are often seen as serious and hardworking. Aquarius, January 20 February 18. Aquarius is an air sign and is associated with innovation, originality, and independence. People born under this sign are often creative and unconventional, and they value individuality and freedom. They can also be stubborn and rebellious, and they may struggle with forming deep emotional connections, and those born under this sign are known for their intellectual curiosity, independent spirit, and love of innovation. They can be unconventional and rebellious. Pisces, February 19 March 20. Pisces is a water sign and is associated with imagination, sensitivity, and spirituality. People born under this sign are often compassionate and intuitive, and they value creativity and empathy. They can also be indecisive and prone to escapism, and they may struggle with boundaries and self-discipline, and people born under this sign are known for their creativity, intuition, and empathy. They can be dreamy and imaginative, but also prone to escapism. In conclusion, the 12 zodiac signs each have their unique traits and characteristics that shape the personalities and behaviors of individuals born under them. While astrology may not be scientifically proven, many people find comfort and guidance in understanding their zodiac sign and the trait. By exploring the 12 signs, we gain a better understanding of ourselves and those around us, and we can appreciate the diversity and complexity of human nature.